Why does my boss really care about the account I post my transaction to? What happens if I post to the wrong account? I'm going to be answering those questions today. It's another Accounting Mondays, guys, where we make accounting easy, simple, and practical. So today we'll be talking about the chart of accounts. Yeah, COA for short. So when I'm using COA, you already understand I'm talking about the chart of accounts. So first, let's define what a COA is. It organizes every financial transaction into clear categories, making your financial statements meaningful and reliable. Guys, it is the backbone of every financial reporting and decision making. You see why your boss has been shouting? So here is a simple breakdown. It consists of 5 major classes, which is the 5 backbones of accounting, which is your asset, your liability, your equity, your income, and your expenses. You already know what asset is now. If you don't know what asset is by now, I'm just joking, come back. Asset is what business owns. Asset starts with number 1 as the code. Say code 1000 to code 1999. Then for liability, liability usually starts with the code number 2, which shows everything that your company is owing. You can say from 2000 to 2999. Then for your equity, which is the owner's interest in the business, follows the same pattern, 3000 to 3999. Then to your income, which is how the business earns money, which starts with the code number 4, 4000 to 4999. Down to your expenses, which is the cost incurred to run your business, from 5000 to 5999. And you're like, why do I even need a chart of accounts? Why does this coding and everything you've been saying matters? It matters because first, it helps you to track performance accurately. Imagine you are posting a transaction that belongs to a revenue line or chart of account to a liability line. Imagine you are posting an expense line to a revenue line. So you need it in order to track your performance accurately. Number 2, you need it to prepare reliable financial statements. Imagine now you are posting wrong things, wrong accounts, wrong classification. At the end of the day, the financial statement you'll be bringing out will definitely be wrong, and this will lead to wrong decisions being made, and you don't want to do that. The very last importance I'm giving you of chart of accounts, it helps to improve budgeting and cost control. With a properly classified chart of accounts, you are able to monitor what is taking money from the business. You are able to see clearly where the business needs to improve and how to improve your budget overall. If you really want to understand how to properly use your chart of account, how to properly classify your transaction, then you might need to register for our accounting masterclass. Comment accounting and I will share with you the details. I'll see you later. Bye.